welcome to Live Rogue. Let's say we're belaying up our partner and our partner falls and has knocked their head and is now unconscious, right? And I need to escape this belay because it's just the two of us out in the middle of nowhere. So what I need to do is actually escape the belay. I could have preset up this anchor if I thought that there could be that potential, or I could even be tied to it. But let's make it simple. So the way we're going to do it is I'm going to first lock off my gree-gree, and I'm going to feed the rope through here. I'm going to basically do an overhand, a munter mule overhand, but without the munter. So I'm all locked off. The next step is I'm going to take my VT pressic. I'm going to tie it on there. I'm going to slide it up about as far as I can. Then I'm going to take the end of my rope. I'm going to clip it to my VT pressic up here. Down here I'm going to tie the munter like this. Munter like this. I'm going to tension it the best I can. Then I'm going to mule it. And I'm going to overhand it. Okay. Now I'm going to just let all the tension go on, and boom. Untie my back up. And I've escaped a belay. Alright, so you might be asking, why would you ever want to escape a belay? Well, frankly, if your climber has fallen and it's just the two of you, you're going to need to figure out either how to help them, or you might have to run for help. So both situations, you'll have to get away from that belay. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.